When installing the Flue ash ball press machine, it is necessary to pay attention to the circuit problem, and the circuit of each part needs to be carefully set up so that the circuit short circuit or misconnection cannot operate normally in the middle of use. The light delays the work efficiency and the heavy accidents occur. Be careful, and the staff skills training to be very familiar with the operation process of the Flue ash ball press. Otherwise, in the use of the operation error will cause shutdown and crash phenomenon. It's not good. As long as you pay attention to the related matters of the electric molten magnesium powder ball press, before and after use, the user is trained. Basically, there will be no big problems. Small problems are often checked and solved at any time, which can ensure the stable production of the Flue ash ball press.